Induction is the fastest cooking technology on the planet. But if your pan has a weak magnetic connection, you are effectively throttling your cooktop's performance. At Wade Media Labs, we audited 15 leading induction sets. We measured magnetic flux density to see which pans actually capture the energy your stove is trying to deliver. We used a standardized pull force gauge and digital Gauss meters to map the magnetic saturation of every pan base. We then correlated this data with actual boiling times to calculate energy transfer efficiency. Our data revealed a massive efficiency gap. Because many brands use thin, perforated magnetic discs, they are losing up to 20% of the cooktop's magnetic flux. You're paying for power you can't use. Induction requires a dense ferrous mass to generate eddy currents. When the magnetic plate is too thin or doesn't reach the edges of the pan, the energy transfer becomes erratic, leading to longer recovery times. Only 3 sets achieved a maximum flux rating. These winners utilized edge-to-edge ferrous bonding and high-density magnetic plates, ensuring a one-to-one energy transfer from the coil to the food. Don't let your cookware bottleneck your kitchen. In the workshop of the kitchen, magnetism is the engine, and your pan is either a conductor or a parasite. See the full magnetic flux logs, the energy transfer charts, and our top 3 induction winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the induction efficiency audit.